Opinion Best Free Cloud Gaming Services. 1. GeForce Now. GeForce Now is a cloud gaming service that allows you to play PC games on various devices without downloading or installing them. You can stream the games you already own from digital stores like Steam, Epic Games Store, Ubisoft Connect, and EA, or play free-to-play games available on GeForce Now. You can also enjoy high-quality graphics and performance with GeForce RTX GPUs and real-time ray tracing. To use GeForce Now, you need to have a compatible device, a stable internet connection, and a GeForce Now membership. You can choose from 3 membership options: free, priority, or ultimate. The free membership allows you to play for up to 1 hour at a time, with standard access to GeForce Now servers. The priority membership gives you extended session length, priority access to servers, and RTX on features. The ultimate membership offers all the benefits of the priority membership, plus access to the most powerful GeForce RTX 4080 gaming rigs that can stream games at up to 4K resolution and 120 FPS. Depending on your device, you can either download the GeForce Now app or play directly from your supported browser. You can download the app for Windows, Mac, Chromebook, Android, iOS, or NVIDIA Shield TV. You can also play from your Chrome or Safari browser on PC, Mac, or Chromebook. Once you launch the app or the browser, you need to sign into your NVIDIA account and link your game store or publisher accounts to verify game ownership. You can then browse the library of supported games and start playing. For the best performance, NVIDIA recommends using a wired Ethernet connection or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, and setting your router to prioritize GeForce Now traffic. You can also adjust the streaming quality settings in the app or the browser to match your network speed and device capabilities. 2. Xbox Cloud Gaming. 3. PlayStation Plus. 4. Amazon Luna. 5. Black Canoe.